Good day, my name is Imichi and I'm going to present about the introduction of our project. So what is mechanics? Mechanics is a branch of physical science that is related to the motion of objects when they are subjected to external forces. Mechanics of machine is a study of relative motion and force acting on the parts of a machine, and the topic involved are gear system, power transfer, balancing, friction and wear, mechanism, and vibration. However, in this project, we are required to find a mechanics of machine application in gym equipment as the case study. There are many examples of application in gym equipment which are rowing machine, stationary bike, and treadmill.
Hello, my name is Jun Wei. In our case study regarding elliptical machine, two concepts are applied which are belt drive and mechanism. Hence, we are required to solve two problems. The first problem is regarding the belt drive, where we are going to find the driving torque and the power transmission for coefficient of friction of 0.2 and 0.4. This simulates the scenario when the users increase the resistance of elliptical machine. The second problem is regarding mechanism, where we are going to find the speed of point C and also point E. Also, the angular velocity of link CB and CD when we assume that the motion of user is causing a 120 revolution per minute rotation towards link AB, which connects the pedal tube and driver pulley.
Now I will present about the basic theory in our project. The first topic involved in the elliptical machine is belt drive. Power transmission refers to an energy transfer from a rotating component such as belt drive, chain drive, and gear to another machine. There are four types of belt drive arrangement which are open, cross, turn, and serpentine. There are also three types of belt which are flat belt, V-belt, and synchronous belt. However, the belt drive system used in elliptical machine is open V-belt drive system. The velocity ratio, tension ratio, power, and torque formula is listed in the slide. The second topic involved in the elliptical machine is mechanism. Mechanism is a kinetic chain with one link fixed and it is used to transmit or modify a motion. Kinematic chain is the assembly of link to transmit definite motion. The mechanism used in elliptical machine is 4-bar linkage mechanism, which are the simplest movable closed chain linkage, and it consists of 4 links. In this mechanism, the length of the longest link must be less than the sum of the length of the other 3 links.
For problem 1, we can list out the information given and then substitute into equation 1, 2, and 3 to determine the slack tension, driving torque, and power transmission. Notice that we are using a V-belt for the belt drive. After that, we can get the value of slack tension, power transmitted, and total driving torque for each coefficient of friction. You can see how coefficient of friction affects our final result. For problem 2, we can start with constructing the configuration diagram. Then we can plot the velocity diagram by referring to the configuration diagram. The fixed point is plotted, in this case points A and D, and the perpendicular line for link AB, BC, and CD are drawn and brings to velocity diagram. The intersection point of perpendicular line of link CD and CB gives us the location of point C. The ratio founded is 1 cm equals to 0.1257 meter per second. Now, the velocity of point C and point E can be founded by measuring the distance from A to C and A to E respectively and times with the ratio. By using the same concept, we can determine the angular velocity of link CB and CD by dividing their respective length.
Hello, my name is Tang. I'm going to discuss about result we calculated. Bar chart of torque against coefficient of friction reveals that when the coefficient of friction is 0.4, the total torque needed to drive the machine is higher. High resistance of the machine generates more frictional force during the motion. The higher torque used by a user to drive the machine as more frictional force is generated. Bar chart of power transmission against coefficient of friction shows that when the coefficient of friction is 0.2, the lower power transmission of the belt drive. When rotating the pedal, a machine with a low resistance creates lower frictional force. When less friction as between two surfaces moving over each other, less kinetic energy are transformed into heat energy. Less energy loss leads to lower power transmission because more energy is conserved. Lower power is transmitted for belt drive to drive the machine. The purpose of velocity analysis for 4-bar mechanism is to calculate the driving speed and revolution per minute of elliptical machine. The velocity and angular velocity calculated is to be the reference of driving speed and revolution per minute by the user as respectively. That result can be connected to the LCD screen of elliptical machine. In a nutshell, power transmission and mechanism play important roles and always applies in our gym equipment applications such as rowing machine, stationary bike, elliptical trainer, and so on. By comprehending their definition and application, operation of elliptical machine can be truly understood. Mastering the theory of power transmission and mechanism helps humans to develop a more convenient society because the equipment that applies power transmission and mechanism can be successfully fabricated. That's all for our group. Thank you.